Hey, what's up guys? 𝒞𝑜𝓃. Can you get the buy box as a brand new Amazon seller? Well, if you clicked on this video, I'm gonna assume you already know what the buy box is, but if you're brand new, you're just doing research, trying to figure stuff out, and you don't know what the buy box is, go ahead and click this video up here. It should be, popping out. You should be seeing something up here. Go ahead and click on that video, and that explains what the buy box is, because that's kind of an important prerequisite to know. If you don't see anything popping out up here, I probably forgot to link it because I do that a lot. So leave me a comment down there and just be like, hey, I forgot to link the video. Throw a little time code in there, and then I'll go ahead and fix it so that everybody else watching this video will not be inconvenienced. So yes, can you get the buy box as a brand new Amazon seller? Yes, you can get the buy box as long as you signed up for the professional seller plan, the $40 a month Amazon selling plan. If you're on the free plan, you're just automatically disabled. You cannot get the buy box. No matter what you do, you're just not allowed to have the buy box if you don't have the professional Amazon seller plan. So that's one of the reasons I always suggest just starting off with the professional seller plan right away, because it pays for itself if you're selling more than 40 items in a month, and if you're selling less than 40 items in a month, like, what are you doing? You're not gonna make much money if you're selling less than 40 items a month. As long as you have the professional Amazon seller plan, even if you're a brand new seller, you can get the buy box, right off the bat. It is harder to get it when you're brand new, because part of what the buy box is based on, it's largely price, but it's also a little bit based on, meeting your shipping times and sort of your account metrics looking good, kind of just sort of the history of your account and how much Amazon trusts you. So with it being a brand new account, it doesn't have a lot of history, so Amazon doesn't really trust you that much. So even if you're the lowest price, you can sometimes not get the buy box just because, Amazon doesn't really have that history with you. So first 3 months, kind of tough to get the buy box. It's possible you can get it. It's just not nearly as easy as it becomes once you've got sort of more of an established account. So yeah, if you're brand new, don't need to worry. You can get the buy box. You will start getting the buy box eventually. Just focus on being the lowest price right now, because you can actually get a boost from the people. Now, the buy box is important, right? The buy box is where most of your sales are going to come from. But something that you need to remember is that when people go to shop on Amazon, most people are just going to hit buy and whatever. That's that's the buy box. But there is a percentage of people that'll go and say, see, these prices from other sellers. They'll click and then they'll look at all the sellers. If you can be one of the sellers on that list with the cheapest price, those real deal-seeking customers are going to buy from you because you've got the lowest price. They don't care about whoever has the buy box. They're just going to buy from who has the lowest price because that's what they want. They're those real deal-finding kind of customers. So if you're a brand new account, you're having trouble getting the buy box, then just decrease your prices a little bit. You'll make a little bit less money, right, per sale, but that'll help you start getting some of those sales, getting that history with Amazon. And then once you have that, after around 3 months or something like that, the first 3 months are very important on Amazon. So click up here if you haven't seen my video on what to do for the first 3 months of dropshipping on Amazon, or you might end up getting your account suspended. So yeah, watch that video if you haven't seen it already. I'm gonna just assume that you've seen it. Super, 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 super critical video. So, popped out thing over here, or again, comment below if I forgot to link it. But yes, if you're a brand new account, what you want to do is try to price really low. Don't worry too much about making a lot of money on it. Just, price pretty low, get those sales from those deal customers, build up some account history, and then after 3 months, once you've gotten that account history, your account's built up and it's looking really good to Amazon, it's gonna be super easy to get the buy box. You can raise your prices back up, and then bang, you're making a whole lot more per sale. Well guys, that's it for the video. If you're new to dropshipping on Amazon and you're trying to figure out how to get started, I've got a full free set of training videos down there, link in the description. Goes over everything you need to know to get started dropshipping on Amazon. And Amazon's great because compared to other platforms, it's actually super easy to get sales with very few listings, because there's so many more buyers on Amazon and so many few sellers that you're competing with compared to other platforms like eBay. If you've got any questions about anything dropshipping related, feel free to hit me up on Facebook. I'll put a link down there, as well as a link to a group that I started that has hundreds of other dropshippers in it that you can join. I post new content on this channel every few days, so go ahead and subscribe and hit the notifications, and I'll be back with another video in a couple days.